Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am gonna show you how you can add ruler and guide in Canva. Once you have opened your Canva project, then on the top left corner here you can see files, just click on this and go to the bottom, and here you can see settings, just hover on this. Now on the right side here you can see show ruler and guides, just click on this. Now ruler and guide showing. Now you can add ruler and guide from here, and you can also delete it. Just click on this and place it, and here just click it and drag it and place it here. If you want to remove this ruler, just go to the files and here settings, ruler, just click on this. Now the ruler and guide will be removed. So this is how you can show ruler and guide in Canva. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.